If you need to change the phone number on your Namecheap account, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your phone number inside Namecheap so your account details stay accurate and up to date. This is especially helpful if you've changed carriers, moved to a new country, or simply need to correct an old number on your profile. Before we start, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're signed in, look at the top menu of the dashboard and click on Profile. This is where Namecheap keeps your personal account details, including contact information and address settings. After clicking Profile, you'll see a few options appear. From there, select Personal Info. This section contains the details associated with your account identity, so it's the right place to update your phone number. Now scroll, or look for the Primary Address section. This is where your main contact information is stored. Once you find it, click Edit so you can make changes. When the Edit window opens, locate the phone number field. This is the field you need to update with your new number. Carefully enter your new phone number and make sure you include the correct country code. That part is very important because Namecheap may use that number for verification or account-related communication. Also, double-check that the number is formatted correctly and that you didn't leave out any digits. It's always a good idea to review the full number before saving, especially if you're switching between different country formats. After you've entered everything correctly, go ahead and click Save Changes. Namecheap should now update your contact information with the new phone number you entered. To make sure the update went through, you can quickly go back and confirm that the new number is showing correctly in your profile. And that's it. You've successfully changed the phone number in your Namecheap account. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and leave a comment if you want help with anything else on Namecheap or other website settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.